Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This time I will cover the legendary random enchant Stormborn once again. But there was a bug fix related to the Master of Elements random region, the blue RE. And before it was pretty broken. The blue RE worked without the capstone. Let me get you back to what happened. So this is Master of Elements, and the blue RE for this supposed to increase the capstone bonus by 6%. Now it's 5% for whatever reason, but before they fixed it, basically one blue RE was stronger than 3 talent points, so you just used 2 blue REs, and as soon as you crit with Chain Lightning you get 100% mana back. Obviously this was pretty broken, so you don't have to invest in any kind of mana regeneration and be full mana all the time, basically, except on single target. But yeah, now you don't use Master of Elements RE. Instead, you use the talent for the capstone. As you can see on the mana regeneration for this short period of fight, like 2 minutes or something, most of the mana regeneration still comes from Master of Elements, improved Storm Strike, Seal of Wisdom, Shamanistic Rage. I've tried Channeled Rage before, but it's not necessary. Using Shamanistic Rage once a minute is absolutely enough. You have seen I've nearly dropped like to 80% mana or something, so absolutely no issue at the moment. You can play with 2 one-handed weapons. Then you won't need improved Storm Strike. Right now I'm playing with this bad boy. Sadly it's only Mythic Normal. Ideally you want this one in from higher keys, since it's really big for strength, and also you get the staff bonus, so the 10% spell haste. In my opinion, it's still the best for the build. Can play, of course, with 2 one-handed weapon, focus on haste, you should get enough to get down to 1 second cast time. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let's go over the over my gear. So you have an idea what I'm wearing and to get an idea of what's going on in terms of numbers. So I'm only pulling like 12k on 5 target capped chain lightning. You can use another one of the endless lightning for 6 targets, but it's I would say more rare to have 6 targets at a time than 5 or even 4. Yeah, let's go over the gear. Let's finish this. As you can see, I have no shoulder enchant, no back enchant, no cloak enchant. Super cheap expertise rating, chest enchant. Yeah, like basic stuff. Not even the PvP enchant. Also here, not the best one. Not the better one from PvP for boots. No ring enchant. So yeah, and also Arcane Precision 1 only. I think Crusader 3 would be the best. No scope on my range weapons, so the gear is absolutely trash compared to what you got right now. I think most of you have maybe tier 3 or normal or heroic, whatever. It's all better than this. But I'm quite surprised how good it is for this item level. Okay, what else? Let's go over the Aries I'm using right now. I'm using the epic enchant Avatar of Lightning, so I can almost permanently cast while moving, and the Lightning Overload to have an increased chance to proc the Lightning Overload talent. So I will go over this later. The other epic is Lightning strikes twice. This removes the cooldown of chain lightning but reduces the damage. Lightning Mastery, just an increased chance to proc the Overload. Mental Quickness, because it's a hybrid build. Don't forget the talent, that's really important, unless otherwise the Mental Quickness RE is kind of useless. Call of Thunder, just for the crit. Voodoo Power, that's what just a single one. I should use Precision with this shit gear, since I'm not spell hit capped. And yes, you need 17% spell hit. Keep in mind on TBC the numbers are different, so 10% hit rating is not 1%. Let's move on. Endless Lightning only 2, since I don't need its cap to be at 6 targets, in my opinion. And the Stormborn legendary random enchant. Previously, I've only used the bottom part, where you get the AP to spell power conversion for Chain Lightning and Lightning Bolt. And now I'm also using the part with the Storm Strike. The damage from Storm Strike is not super good. I've got it in some tries to up to 20%, 26%. But it's a really short fight. But in my opinion, it's still good, and I like to play a little bit more of the RE than just the AP conversion. Okay, let's go over the talents real quick. It's pretty straightforward. You use Vengeance for the spell crit, crit damage, and the capstone to get an increased spell power and some mana regeneration. It's not super crazy. Yeah, whatever. Let's move on. Moon Conform just for the crit and a little bit of mana regeneration. Since they changed it, so you won't need Furo Mooncan for Furo. I got it anyways. Don't have the Master Shapeshifter right now because I need points elsewhere. On 70, of course, I would pick this as well. In Mage, we got the Arcane Power, as well as the Master of Elements for the mana regeneration, which is still the biggest part of the mana regeneration right now. And Paladin, obviously the Divine Strength, so I got a little bit more hit rating for strengths from strengths. Conviction for spell crit and conversion to spell crit on crit in general. In Shaman we got Race for spell crit, then Concussion for lightning bolt and chain lightning damage. Unrelenting Storm for the spell haste, as well as the capstone. Lightning Mastery is the overload and the crit damage, and this is the overload. Sorry. Of course, this the capstone you won't need the capstone, but it's all about the overload procs. As you can see, as you've seen before, almost 50% of the damage is from overloads. Lightning Mastery, just because it's core CD. Shamanism for damage. Mental Quickness for the spell power conversion. Stormstrike, it's part of the build, and improved Stormstrike because I'm using single two-handed weapon. Shamanistic Rage for the mana regeneration, and that's it basically. Okay, what else I can show you? For level 70 talents, I'm not sure right now. I will try to roll this build on Allah. I might go for Shamanistic Rage, Elemental Mastery, Arcane Power, and I don't know, Stormstrike, something else, cards. Maybe high roll Rockbiter and Seal of Wisdom. We'll see how this will turn out. Then I will go over my Weakauras real quick, so you know what is actually flashing up here, and so. All right, it's quite a lot. Okay. This is Shamanistic Rage, of course. It's glowing. It's about to run out, but it really doesn't matter. It's left over from Shamanistic from Channeled Rage, Epic RE. Elemental Mastery, also flashing glowing when it's about to run out. This is the Unrelenting Storm. The spell haste, I'm trying to keep it at 3 stacks. So you go for you start the fight with ideally 3 or 2, depends on the overload procs, normal lightning bolts, then chain lightning and pop CDs, and use 2 chain lightning and then 1 lightning bolt and repeat, and use the Stormstrike on cooldown as long as Elemental Mastery is up to proc the Stormborn effect. Okay, I've just forgot. Here down below, the lightning bolt is glowing when this little buff is about to run out, and Stormstrike is glowing while Elemental Mastery is up. Alright, yeah, rotation is, like I said, keep up Unrelenting Storm, spam lightning, chain lightning, and keep Stormstrike on cooldown while your buffs are up. Thanks to talent, you reduce your cooldown on Elemental Mastery every time you crit with Chain Lightning or Lightning Bolt. So I will go over the uptimes really quick. As you can see, it's almost every time up. Elemental Mastery over 75%. Yeah, the uptimes are quite good, I would say. Stop the video if you want to check. Okay. I think that's it. Thank you for the subs. It was like a month ago. I had like 50 subs, and now I'm over 150. That's okay. Thank you for that. If you enjoyed the video or have learned anything, leave a like, leave a dislike if you haven't. I know you can't see it anymore, but I can see it. So if you don't like it, dislike it. I will see you on Allah in TBC. I think I will. Maybe I will live stream when we raid in a guild. The voice comms will be in German, so don't be confused. Yeah, comment down below if you have any questions. DM me on Discord if you want the builds or the Weakauras or any other Weakauras got. And yeah, feel free to comment down below. I will go over all comments. I will check all my comments like once a day. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And thanks for the support lately. Yeah, see you on Allah.